Go guys.
So, ikaw lang ang advance. Kasi ano pa dapat?
Generally party.
You may have a copy of your resume.
Here.
Thank you. Sorry, dito pa pen. Sige siya. So my name is Michelle Olea. I'll be your interviewer for today. So this would be a panel interview. So I'll ask a question and then they will answer. Anyone who can answer the first question, let's go from there. Okay. So my first question is, can you tell me something about yourself? Would like to answer first. Okay.
Okay, good morning, Ms. Olea. I am Jerome Dalde, and I am a former Humanities and Social Science student of Mapua Malayan Colleges Laguna, and I am currently taking BS Tourism Management as of now. And I am interested in travel and tourism since I am concerned about the three pillars of sustainable tourism, which includes the people, planet, and the profit of sustainable tourism. And at this moment, I am also interested in tour guiding as part of one of my career job in my life. And taking consideration of all my travels that I've been to, I've visited the Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao of the Philippines, and currently hoping that I would visit most countries outside the Philippines. As of now, I visited Singapore, Indonesia, Cambodia, and recently with our Thailand tour. And as part of that, I am encountering different multicultural people or diversity in which I am learning from them and they're learning from me, and I am adapting it in my tourism management days. And by this July, I will be visiting Hong Kong and will figure how Hong Kong will deal with their three P's of sustainable tourism.
Good. Who else? So, Mr. Daldi, you mentioned that you became fond of tour guiding, right? What made it your favorite course or subject?
Okay, so tour guiding is became one of my passion in taking tourism management because during my high school and elementary days, I want to become a teacher. Not anything about this, but a teacher. I want to teach young people. I want to influence young people, and I want them to make them inspired of the learnings, of the topics, the lessons that the curriculum is offering. And that's why, aside from that, during the pandemic, I realized that I realized that I should learn from the experience rather than books. That's why I started going out and learning and experiencing new things. What are not written inside the book, and that's why during my college enrollment, I decided to take the tourism management course so that at the same time I can teach people, influence people, and share my knowledge about the destinations I've been through and share my experiences from share my experiences from what I discovered, realized on that certain attractions or destinations.
Okay, thank you. I don't have any questions. You have questions for me?
Yes, ma'am, I have a question po. Does your company offers global trainings also for us to become the better version of ourselves?
Of course, one of the benefits of being an international company is we actually, well, initially your onboarding would be based on international standards. So we're very happy that we have that available for you. And in special situations or handpicked individuals, we do send them abroad for special trainings. So, in terms of your personal growth, you won't have to worry because you take care of what's on board.
Okay, thank you so much, Ms. Olea.
Thank you for that question. Is there any other question before I move? Thank you. Okay, thank you so much for all of you. I'll give you a call once we have your results. Please expect it within the 1 or 2 weeks because we do have a lot of applicants. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
QR code or kung ano.
I already answered.
Okay. So nag-submit ka na. Good. Thank you. So this is the next one. Okay, next batch.